Just say no to stair nose. Just say no to moldings. Not in my house. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're at one of my job sites, and I'm going to show you exactly why I don't use laminate flooring and stair nose on any of my staircases. Without any further ado, let's hit it.
So beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So this is the scenario. You buy your laminate floor. You expect them to have the matching stair nose to go along with it, of course. Matching accessories, you know. You're spending a lot of money on your floor. Of course, you want it to match and look good, but manufacturers never have coordinating trim moldings, whether it's T-moldings, reducers, or in our case today, stair nose. They never have the ones that match it perfectly. And then on top of it, look at this. You want a trip going down your stairs? Because every one of these moldings is sitting on top of the laminate, not flush, which is a tripping hazard. They don't even have the right sheen. These are shiny. The floor is more of a matted look. This isn't going to be a video where I'm suggesting that you do this. This is the complete opposite. I'm warning you, if you have a flooring and you're planning on doing your stairs, find out ahead of time what kind of stair system they have. Now, if it's a really good manufacturer, they should have coordinating moldings that match exactly in even flush mount. That means one level. They're sitting flush, not on top of. Some of the laminate manufacturers even make a one-piece step. They call it like a tread, just like we do when we stain it. They come already the same color though. All right, so this is what's going on. This is not my job. I'm a subcontractor here for my friend who is a tile contractor. His client already purchased the flooring, already purchased the nosing. My hands are tied. We have to install it. I want to sell the house anyway, so the client really doesn't care. But I hate doing this kind of work. So if you have a home with stairs and you're considering doing laminate flooring, ask the store where you're purchasing your laminate from, what kind of stair nose do they use? Do they have one-piece stair? If they don't have a good stair system, go elsewhere, click off the website, walk out the door, hang up, whatever it is. Tell that store, not in my house. I don't want that. Don't buy your floor from that company. And if it's my project, I always use solid wood and I stain it to match the stairs because it's one piece. There's no nose, there's no edge. It's luxury, it's security, it's peace of mind. It's a lifetime staircase. That's why I do solid oak or solid hickory or solid whatever the species is on the stairs, and then we just stain it to match the rest of the floor. If you found this useful, please share and like this video. We're trying to grow our channel, and believe me, it helps us more than you can realize. If you really, really like what we're doing, we also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment, like the Sony camera we're on today. If you're new around here, you're also going to want to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, dunk my smudge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.